In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request deletion of your Intuit data, including TurboTax, using the Intuit Account Manager. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect during identity verification and final confirmation. Start by opening a web browser and going to accounts.intuit.com. Sign in with your user ID and password. If you use two-step verification on your account, complete that prompt so you can access your settings. It's a good idea to make sure you're signing into the correct Intuit account, especially if you've used multiple emails with Intuit products in the past. Once you're signed in, look to the left-hand menu and select Data Privacy. If your menu is collapsed, expand it so you can see the option clearly. Inside Data Privacy, choose Delete. This section is designed specifically for data removal requests, so take a moment to read any notes you see there about what deleting data will do to your account and product access. Next, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Make a delete request. This begins the guided flow. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. First, you'll confirm your email address. This ensures the request is tied to the correct account and helps Intuit send you updates about the process. You'll then be asked to select the specific Intuit product or products you want the data deleted from. This can include TurboTax and any other Intuit services linked to your account. Choose only what you intend to remove, or select all relevant products if you want a broader deletion. If you're unsure, review what you currently use and consider downloading or saving anything you may need before proceeding, because data deletion is typically permanent. For security, you'll verify your identity. Intuit may send a one-time code to your email or phone. Keep your device handy, and if the code doesn't arrive right away, check your spam or junk folder and request a new code if needed. Enter the code promptly so it doesn't expire. Before you finalize the request, you'll be asked to confirm that you understand the consequences of deletion. Read this carefully. Deleting data can affect access to past information, and once it's gone, it may not be recoverable. When you're ready, enter your password one last time to confirm and submit the request. You should see a confirmation on screen, and you'll typically receive an email acknowledgement. Keep an eye on your inbox for updates. That's it. Your Intuit data deletion request is underway.